Being part of the Weathermatic Premier Partner Program has made a lot of changes for us. The issue with that has always been, from my days 20 years ago, it was $50,000 or $60,000 to upgrade a site to a central management system. As technology advanced, the cost came down, but it was still $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 per controller, 4 or 5 controllers per property. And convincing someone to invest $25,000 in capital was always a challenge, especially in multifamily where deals are getting flipped from owner to owner over, sometimes in the same year more than once. So essentially what has changed with being part of the Weathermatic Premier Partner Program is now we're able to, with no money out of our pocket, a little bit of labor, $36 a month per controller, we're able to roll the technology that we believe in, that we believe is best for our clients and best for our environment, into a standard maintenance agreement for very little difference in what it would have been without. Matter of fact, most people don't even understand the difference. It seems it's so close to what our bids would have been before. You're talking just a marginal difference, but the value it provides for us is huge. We could never come up with the money out of pocket to fund this on our own. But with this Premier Partnership Program, we don't have to. Weathermatic has set it up and made it really a no-brainer for us.